84. I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. Let's go.
I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise shall continually be in my mouth. I said I shall make his boast in the Lord. The humble shall hear of thee and be glad. Oh, magnify the Lord with me, and let us say so his name together. I sought the Lord, and he heard me, and delivered me from all my fears. Evil shall slay the wicked, and those who hate the righteous shall be condemned. The Lord redeems the soul of his servants, and none of those who trust in him shall be condemned. The eyes of the Lord are on the attitudes, and his ears are open to their cry. The face of the Lord is against those who do evil, to cut off the remembrance of them from the earth. The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears and delivers them out of all their trouble. The Lord is near to those who have a broken heart, and saves such as a contrite spirit. Evil shall slay the wicked, and those who hate the righteous shall be condemned. The Lord redeems the soul of his servants, and none of those who trust in him shall be condemned. And none of those who trust in him shall be condemned. And none of those who trust in him shall be condemned.